So in case you can't tell, this is me. I think it's best to describe myself in just one simple sentence. First of all, my name is Wayne, and second of all, I'm a woodpecker. Which of course means I can transform even the biggest tree on the face of the earth into a rather teeny tiny toothpick. But in reality, I guess you can refer to me as the founder of my very own company, known as the Tree Planting Industries. Why? Because when you come to this neck of the woods, you can plant your very own tree, watch it grow, then later on chop it down, and finally send it over to the timber mill, where you can turn old trees into furniture and other things. All that's required is a team of woodpeckers who can help get the job done. Well, for the most part. We've got ourselves another customer who is requiring a taste of special deliveries. So I want you lot to pick up as many logs as you can, so you can load them onto his train so he can take them all over to the timber mill. Now hurry along, time is wasting.
can't believe it's the 31st of October. One time of the year where all the spooks and goblins go out to roam the earth. But as for me, I just can't seem to get that gruesome image of those villagers chasing after me out of my head. Why, it's just like a haunting message to me, like... Super Ghost, what are you doing here?
Yep, that's me. Don't wear it out. So, you ready to go out trick-or-treating?
Why would that be necessary?
Oh, you silly ghoul. Don't you remember? Tonight's the big night. And it's that time again. Hallows Eve.
I don't know about this, but don't get me wrong, Super Ghost. I really appreciate your efforts at convincing me to get into the spirit of Halloween. But what if the townspeople confuse us for real monsters? What if they don't like me? Even thinking about that cutaway is giving me some chills down my spine.
Don't worry about it, Beast Girl. You'll get over it eventually. I mean, you can't just let one little thing spook you. So, are you with me?
Well, if you say so.
Oh boy, our first stop of the night. Well, wish me luck. Trick or treat! You know, I will be one to admit, I'm impressed. Maybe this Halloween night wasn't so bad after all. And you're not remembering that incident anymore, are you?
Well, no, actually. I guess I kind of let that get away from me. I mean, what else could possibly go wrong?
Beast Girl, hold my stack of candy for me, please. I'm going in. Well, it looks like it's time for the both of you to come to the understanding that crime doesn't pay. Boo!
Rex?
Yeah?
You think maybe now's the perfect time to retreat?
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I'll catch up.
I wonder how they found out where we were.
But Rex, but...